Hi, I'm Meg from Ruffles and Overalls, and today I wanted to show you how to make a large framed quilt for fall decor. It's a super easy project, and all you need is an old quilt, an old picture frame, really could be any size that you want, a pair of fabric scissors, and a stapler. So the first step would be to place your picture frame on the side of the quilt that you want to be inside your frame. So I chose this corner so I would have more of the quilt left and it had more of the colors that I wanted. So I just placed it here and put the edge of the quilt right lined up with the outside of the picture frame so that I make sure I cut it big enough. And I'm just going to cut around the outside. And I'm going to take my picture frame now and flip it over. Just like that. And I am going to flip my fabric over. I think I must have had it the other direction. So I'm basically just going to lay it out right over the picture frame. So we have it centered nicely. And I'm going to try to pull it as tight as I can. Now, I normally have like a heavy-duty stapler that I use, and I couldn't find it, but I realized that a regular stapler will go through wood, so pick it up and take a look. Turn out. Oh, it looks really cute. So now the last thing we'll want to do is we have this little bit of fabric hanging out over the edge. Tuck that. Let's see if I can. So we'll just trim the edges really quick. So there you have it.